Happy Friday, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. It's your friendly neighborhood PM with your top 3 market points of the week. Now, it does look like we are on track for yet another weekly gain on the S&P 500. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. Kicking us off at number 3, it's Anthropic going through its latest funding round, raising around $65 billion, which now values the company at $965 billion. We also just saw competitor OpenAI go through a latest funding round and being valued approximately around $850 billion. Now, a variety of venture capital and public companies such as Google and Amazon did invest in this latest funding round, which continues to show just how much demand the market has for these AI companies. Now, that's good news, especially as news has started to circulate that both companies are planning to file to IPO later this year. So retail investors can get a piece of that pie should they want to. At point number 2, it's SpaceX and their upcoming IPO. The valuation did just get re-rated from somewhere in the $2 trillion range to $1.8 trillion at the moment. Now, SpaceX is looking to raise around $75 billion via the IPO, but that would still make it the largest IPO in history. Now, these numbers are going to be fluctuating and changing a little bit, especially as the company goes through its formal marketing roadshow starting on June 4th. So stay tuned on that. And then finally, point number 1, it's the U.S. and Iran tensions that are ongoing. So an update there. There has been a preliminary deal put in place for a 60-day continued ceasefire that is waiting for President Trump's approval. Now, the tensions continue to mount and continue to evolve day to day because, once again, 3 main hard lines that the president has to accepting any type of peace deal is the fact that the Strait needs to reopen, Iran needs to surrender all enriched uranium, and cease on their nuclear program, all of which Iran has been very steadfast in declining going forward. So it's going to be an ever-evolving situation. As always, we'd like to keep you informed on this call. So as that progresses over the next week or so, stay tuned and we'll keep you posted. Now, that does it for your top 3 points this week. What are we checking out for next week? Well, next week, we're going to go right back to labor market data. We're going to have non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, really see how the war is weighing on the overall economy coming into next week. So that's what you have to stay tuned for next week. Now, that does it for this week's video. As always, if you've got additional questions, please reach out to your financial advisor. And if you don't have one, please follow our link and we'll be happy to get you connected with somebody. But as always, please go out, enjoy your weekend, and we will see you the same time next week. Thanks again.